Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JRep. I'm Javier Rabagliati and I'm here to show you how to make Screencastify settings work for you. Let's go! To change Screencastify's basic settings, you just have to click on the extension icon and then on the gear icon. The two most useful settings are limit resolution and max frame rate. The limit resolution setting is going to help you in keeping your video file manageable and shareable. The file size is not going to be huge, so your students will be able to easily watch them. Click on the numbers and you'll get a few options. For sharing mini lessons or tutorials, I would recommend using the 480p setting. That would ensure a resolution still good enough for your students to get the content. Another setting that helps in keeping the file size reduced is the max frame rate. This setting describes how many frames per second will have your video. If you click on the number, make sure that 30 FPS is selected, because from this list is the minimum frame rate recommended for the human eye, and it's still gonna keep your video file size relatively low. There are more advanced options on Screencastify, but we will talk about that in another video. I hope you found this helpful. Bye!